down to Ferrer. The fake. Reverse is good. Ferrer for three.
Ako nga pala si Kevin Ferrer, captain ball ng UST Growling Tigers, forward.
The University of Santo Tomas Growling Tigers have proven to be one of the toughest contenders since season 78. With King Tiger Kevin Ferrer leading the pack.
Sa akin naman, parang natural lang sa akin na maging leader kasi parang gusto kong talagang i-guide yung mga teammates ko and gusto ko talagang may marating yung team namin.
As team captain, Kevin brings a much-needed change in leadership for the Tigers.
Parang last year daw kasi kulang sa leadership. So ayun yung focus ko and lahat talaga ng natutunan ko sa ibang leagues, binigay ko na, tinuro ko na dito.
Outside the court, Kevin finds time to de-stress just like any other student.
Parang nagre-relax sa condo lang and minsan nanonood ng sine, yung mga latest na movie.
Now in his last playing year, Kevin hopes to end his run with a championship.
Itong team namin ngayon, lahat ng veterano graduating. So, lahat kami, bibigay na namin yung 110% namin. And gusto namin talagang makuha yung corona at balik dito sa school namin.
There's a gamble by UP. That's Kevin Ferrer.
He's leading the team very good. Ang ganda ng motivation niya sa team. Yung leadership niya maganda. So napakataas ng motivation ng team.
Once again, but Ferrer makes it. And makes it!
With his discipline and determination, Kevin is poised to conquer his dreams beyond collegiate basketball.
What a big three to take the lead right back.
Para sa aking greatness, yung ibubuhos mo yung lahat ng mga kaya mo, bibigay mo lahat ng 100% mo, and yung be a competitor.
Quite a few. Ferrer for three.